Good day everyone. I am Arnold Esparsha and I'm going to report about the role of technology in optimizing distribution like automation, RFID, and blockchain. Technology makes moving products from suppliers to stores and customers way faster, cheaper, and more reliable. Think of it like giving your delivery team superpowers to track everything in real time, cut mistakes, and save big money, like 30% waste and errors in a store like Gloria Bazaar in Misamis Occidental. Picture this. Goods start at factories in Cebu or Manila, hop on ferries or trucks, hit a warehouse in Ozamis, then spread to shops in Oroqueta, Tangub, or rural barangays. Without tech, it's a headache. Stock runs out during Christmas fiestas, trucks get stuck in traffic or typhoons, and you lose millions to theft or overbuying. In places like Misamis Occidental, with choppy seas, bad roads, and scattered villages, old school paper lists and phone calls just don't cut it. That's where tech steps in. The RFID tags, blockchain ledgers, robots, and smart software turn chaos into a smooth machine, letting stores like Gloria Bazaar deliver 98% on time, keep customers happy, and slash cost by 25%. RFID tags. RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification. It is a tiny it is tiny, cheap chips like 5 pesos each, glued on boxes, clothes, or rice sacks. They send signals to scanners up to 10 meters away. No need to aim like old barcodes. From the moment a ship leaves Cebu port, you see it leave on a phone or computer. That pallet of blouses is on the ferry now at Uzami's dock, heading to Tangub Shelf 5. In Gloria Bazaar, slap RFID on 80% of stuff like electronics or groceries. And boom, instead of workers counting shelves for hours daily, a quick scan tells you exactly what's low. This cuts shrinkage, theft or loss by 30%, stops 2 million pesos in yearly stock out paying during fiestas, and lets you reorder rice and just the right time, like 707 bags per truck. Real talk, it's like having eyes on every item 24/7. Perfect for busy warehouses. Now let's proceed to blockchain, the unerasable shared diary for trust. Blockchain is a digital chain of records that no one can fake or delete. Everyone, the suppliers, warehouses, and stores, adds to it, but it's locked forever. Tools like IBM Food Trust make it easy for food or gadgets. Say a can of tuna from Cebu has a scandal. Scan the code and blockchain shows farmed here, packed there, shipped on this date, arrived safe. In the Philippines, where fake goods or bad batches hit headlines, this saves lives and money. 40% faster recalls. No more guessing who messed up. For Gloria Bazaar, it proves your imported appliances are real. Build shopper trust because they can scan and at checkout, and keeps wholesalers honest with clear handoff logs. Simple win. No more arguments over I sent it on time. The chain proves it. Now let's proceed to automation, the machines handling the grind. Automation means smart machines doing boring, tiring jobs. AGVs or automated guided vehicles are robot carts with lasers or magnets. They zip around the 5,000 square meter warehouse, grabbing pallets of canned goods 50% faster than people. No more backaches or mistakes. Drones, small ones fly small orders to villages under 10 kilometers in 30 minutes. Fresh veggies during rain when roads flood. Add robotic arms for packaging boxes perfectly every time. In Gloria Bazaar, this free stuff for customer smiles, speeds up during Christmas rushes, and cuts labor cost by 1 million a year. It's like having tireless helpers who never call in sick. Now let us talk about how all this tech teams up with big softwares. No tool works alone. It's the combo that shines. ERP, or the Enterprise Resource Planning, like SAP, is the brain. One screen shows order from Cebu, stocks and Oroqueta, trucks, ETAs, everything linked. DRP, or Distribution Resource Planning, crunches numbers to guess Uzamis needs 1,000 rice bags next week and auto orders. TMS, or Transportation Management Systems, like Descartes, picks best routes, skip flooded road, take ferry instead, saving 50% on diesel and 60 at 60 per liter. And AI, or Artificial Intelligence, scans weather apps, sales history, even fiesta calendars to warn typhoon coming. Stock up now. Result: 25% faster ops like DHL in Asia. Now let us proceed to huge wins, real life stories and numbers. Overall perks, it cut delivery times 35%, like 7 days to 48 hours. Spin inventory, spin inventory 10 times a year. Sell fast, no dust. Hit NPS over 70. Examples: Amazon's robots handle millions of packages daily without breaks. Jollibee uses ERP to tame orders waves, cutting waste 28%. And Lazada nails Philippine Islands with drones and TMS. Gloria Bazaar can do the same for Mindanao, grabbing 30% more sales. Now let us proceed to real hurdles and baby steps to start. It's not magic. It costs 10 to 20 million upfront for RFID robots. Staff needs training 1 to 2 months. Old systems might glitch linking up. Fix: Step 1. Test RFID on one warehouse shelf for 3 months. It is 500,000 pesos. And step 2, train 80% team with fun workshops. And step 3, hook apps via easy APIs. And lastly, step 4, track wins like 97% full orders, tweak monthly, start small and scale big.